really did manifest some stuff. I put myself in my exact bathroom, exact color scheme, and that just is so crazy to me. Like, thank you, God. Hey gorgeous, and welcome to A Complete Vibe. So over here, I'm all about the vibes, honey. We talk about manifestations, personal development, confidence tips, just things that can help you become a better person. So in today's video, we're going to talk about scripting. And y'all, this is one of my favorite ways to manifest. So I do scripting two ways. The first way, well, I don't even know if it's technically scripting because it's drawing, but the first way is I draw myself in, like, the future version of myself in whatever scene I want to happen. Case in point, don't worry, because your girl got examples today. Okay, so my first example, I had painted this picture when I was in my apartment. My apartment only had a shower. I wanted desperately a home where, one, I would have my own bath and my kids would have their own bathroom. And then two, I really wanted a tub. Like, I wanted a tub. I'm a bath girl. I love to soak and just, you know, be in the moment and enjoy myself and be in, well, not like enjoy myself sexually in the tub, but even if I did, that's my business. But like just enjoy myself, like the peace of it all, you know, to be able to sit with my thoughts or play my music. So anywho, so I went to an art class and I drew myself in a bathtub with bubbles drinking my wine. I will insert a picture here. And I drew that, and I would honestly look at that picture when I was in my apartment, and I just would imagine myself, I would feel how it would feel for me to be in my own bathtub in my own house, drinking my wine, relaxing, feeling good. I would feel those feelings. It's kind of like you quantum jump into the person, your future self, the person you want to be, so you can have whatever you desire. So while I was in my apartment, I did that all the time. Honestly, when I was in my apartment, if you don't know, I was in a fire. So when I was in my apartment, I couldn't move really. I was mobile, but it would just hurt so bad to move. But I had a lot of time where I just would lay in the bed. So I would lay in the bed and I would envision myself in this bathtub, listening to music and just with my eyes closed, laid back in the tub. And I would, you know, imagine the bubbles being on my arms. I did that for a while. I did that even without like fixing my credit. I did it with no money having a house, but I just knew someday soon I will have my house with my bathtub and I could be sitting in my bathtub drinking my wine. So, and now fast forward, that's exactly what I have. My dream house, my dream bathroom. So, so when I painted the picture, I had went to the little sip and paint place. The sip and paint place example, the background was like a teal color, right? And I was like, no, I want to paint my background blue. Y'all, why is my bathroom now blue? Well, not now, like I did something. When I moved into my house, my bathroom was blue. And I didn't realize that until just now when I told myself I wanted to make this video. Like, yo, I really did manifest some stuff. I put myself in my exact bathroom, exact color scheme. And that just is so crazy to me. Like, thank you, God. That is such a blessing. It just goes to show you how powerful we really are. Okay, so fast forward to today. And now I'm praying and manifesting my husband. And I honestly feel like this, and y'all can quote me on this because I ain't never been wrong on my visions, but we are in 2022, right? By the very end of 2022 or the very beginning of 2023, I'm going to be with my husband. And I know it. Like, I know it for a fact. I'm going to be with him. So that's why I had drew this next picture, and I will show you guys. So I hope you can see it. So basically, this is me in my dress in my favorite color, mint green. And these are my scars. And well, this is the back version of me and my husband. Like, the camera is behind us. And you know, that's my hair. And I like to wear my little wigs curly. So that's my little curly wig. And those are my scars on my back, and a dress. And you know, we're standing on the balcony. Here's some stars and a heart, a moon. And then this is my husband over here with his fine tail. And that's the back of his head. So I don't know how to draw like a low haircut. So he just had to, I don't know if my husband is going to have dreads, curly hair, a short haircut. I don't know, and I don't really care about that part. But I had to give him some hair, and I only know how to make curly hair. So that's him and his curly hair and his suit and his pants, and we're standing on the balcony, and that's the ground. And always when I get done with my drawings, I pray over them and I ask God for his will to be made on my life with no harm to none, because I never want to receive any type of blessing or some manifestation and something bad had to happen to someone else for me to get what I want. I don't never want that on my conscience. So yeah, I always pray over it, ask God for his will to be done. I always put a date and a time on it, and on here it says on or before 12:12 a.m. or p.m. It really doesn't matter, on December 30th, 2022. And he over here saying, I love you so much, baby. And I'm like, well, I didn't put my little thing, my little quote, but I'm gonna be like, oh, I love you too, boo. We so happy together. And that's what we're gonna be talking about on this balcony on or before December 30th, 2022. And that's facts. That will happen. And so, like I said, I've realized that doing this, scripting this way or drawing this way works for me because I'm a visual learner. Things tend to click better in my mind when it's visual, when it's a illustration, a picture, a pie chart, a graph. For me, I just know visualizations work better for me to get it and for it to stick with me. I don't know why, but that's how I'm made. That's how God made me. Okay, so my second way of scripting is and then I have two separate books for this. Like, this book is just for the illustrations, but I also have a journal book, and I always get my books from Five Below because the pages are long. And also with scripting, sometimes when another way I script is when I'm angry or I have a lot of negativity built up in me and I have to get it out. I will write it down and burn it, and I'll tear that sheet out, kind of like I'm ripping it out of my life. And then when I burn it, it's completely gone. You know, it's gone. It's not in me anymore. So I also do scripting like that. But when I'm doing scripting because I'm trying to manifest something, I write the current date and the current time. And I'm writing it in the future tense of me. So I may be like, for example, I just told y'all, you know, I'm waiting for my husband. I done got myself together. This is your wife. Your wife is waiting on you. But, but if I was to write one today, do a scripting today, I would write today's date, today's time. And I would be like, man, I am so happy. You know, I get to wake up next to the love of my life. And this man is just gorgeous. He is something fine. And you know, we get up and we go shopping or we go out to dinner, and I just love how he's so chivalrous and respectful when it comes to me. Like, there's not a door I ever open. You know, he's generous. He gonna give me his money. Honey, you talking, you know, back in the day, they used to hand their wives their whole paycheck. Yeah, that's what my husband gonna do to me too. So yeah, my husband is generous. He just want to make sure I'm happy. You know, we went on an amazing shopping date today, and we went to wherever, Barney's, Bloomingdale's, and we just had an amazing day. And he just always kisses on me and loves on me and respects me. And you know, this is the man of my dreams. I am so grateful that we are together. You know, I provide value to his life and he provides value to mine. And, you know, I just would talk about an entire day with my husband that I want to happen on paper as if it's today, in the present tense. So whatever I want to happen in the future, I will write it as if it's happening now. Okay? Like, however you want your day to happen, write that down in present tense. Write it as if it is happening now. Or if you're not writing as if it has happened like right now, write it as if it happened today. Like the whole day has happened and now you're writing like, dear diary, man, let me tell you about my day. You know, write it in those terms. So that's the 2 ways I do scripting. Well, kind of 3, because I told y'all how I burn it if something is bothering me. And I'm going to do another video where I go more into detail about that, because you have to pay attention when a lot of negativity builds up in you and you don't let it out or let it come out of you. You know, it builds up, and you be surprised how your anger about one issue will show up in another area of your life. So yeah, those are my 2 or 3 ways I do scripting. I make my drawing, and also when you make your drawing, put you in the drawing. Make sure you put you in the drawing. It does not matter if you cannot draw good. I'm not the best person to draw, but look, I make it do what it do. When I look at this, I know what it means. I know that's me. I know them my little scars on my back. I know this me in my favorite color, mint green. And I know that's my baby, and that's why he's taller than me, because I like a tall man. I want to climb up on you, you know? So, so yeah, make sure you put yourself in the drawing. No matter what you draw, put yourself in it. It doesn't matter if you're not the perfect, if you can't draw that well. It don't even matter if you got to make stick figures, but put yourself in your drawing so your subconscious mind will recognize that that is you, and recognize on the energy that you're putting out into the universe. Woo! Okay, y'all, that's it. So if you have any comments, feel free to drop them below. Be on the lookout for that next video, how I let go of my anger easy. And yeah, as always, thank y'all for watching. Thank you for coming over here for the vibes. I appreciate y'all, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.